Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at the trades that we are currently in and what the targets are for those trades, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I am interested in trading. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because at some point in the video there will be a code somewhere on the screen, okay, which will give you 1 month free access to the Visionary membership, which gives you access to that Visionary Discord, which gives you trades like this. This was a trade that I gave my team on Friday, okay, and I'm always giving my team trades over in this Discord, okay. As you can see, over 339% in a profit. So if you want access to my trades and the courses that give you access to my strategies, then make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access, okay. Code will be somewhere on the screen, and you can always cancel it at any time, so you can just get that 1 month free and try it out. So enough of that. Let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So like I said, okay, we're in this trade, okay. I gave that trade to my team on the Visionary Discord, okay. I said scalp long on the fake out to the downside, low capital entry trade, okay. Now this was a nice long entry. As you can see, we've taken profit on that long, okay. I have had this long open a little bit longer than I would have preferred to, but it did take some time for price to rise because it was the weekend, and volatility does tend to drop off over the course of the weekend. But initially, my thesis was correct, okay, and I was actually telling my team on Friday in the daily market update that this is something that I was looking at, okay. So of course, with the Visionary membership, you gain access to my daily market updates that I do every single day, updating you on what I'm looking for within the price of Bitcoin. And I'm just going to play this video for you.
Okay, so this is the setup that I'm currently looking at. Okay, possibly a pullback down to the low of the local range, possible long from there if we see the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, then taking that up to the internal high here at 27,480, where we could be looking to fire in a short position from there, targeting lower prices from there. Okay,
so as you can see there, before this move even happened, I was anticipating this move, okay. I was anticipating that pullback, okay, back down to the low of the range, okay, where we would get a nice bullish reaction, okay, which would drive the price higher, okay. And that's, exactly what happened. If we come and have a look at the charts, okay, this was back here, okay, and as you can see, after that video, we did see a continuation towards the downside like I was expecting, okay, and then we got the nice bullish reaction. So what did we do? Well, we entered into a long position, and as you can observe, okay, the price has risen, okay. Now, I did give some targets in that video, okay. I did give some targets in that daily market update, okay, but okay, our first TP1, okay, I told my team on the Visionary Discord, was the range high here of the local range, okay. We did front run it slightly, okay, and I was telling my team, I'm possibly looking for a short, okay, I'm possibly looking for a short at this level, but we did front run the level ever so slightly, so I just didn't see the bearish indications to actually enter into a short at this level, so I didn't enter into a short, okay. I'm just holding out, okay. Now, there is a possibility, yes, that we continue to see the price come lower, coming back down to, value area low, maybe even the range low, but at this moment in time, I'm just not seeing those bearish indications, okay. I'm not seeing the bearish indications, so there's a possibility that we could hold this value area higher support, okay, and then continue higher, possibly up to the range high at 27,287. Okay, so this is a target I have, but from here, okay, we have to reevaluate at this level. Is price looking bearish for a retracement, or is price looking bullish to the point where we could actually see that higher target I have being tapped, okay, at 27,480. So this internal high here is a level of interest of mine, okay, and I'm actually looking to possibly short that level in the future, but of course we have to tap that level first, okay. Now, as I said, if we're not seeing the bearish reaction at 27,287, then what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for higher prices. We're looking for 27,480. Okay, that would be my next target if we can break above 27,287. And I'm just level to level trading here. Very simple, but very, very effective. Okay, I'm not going to long, okay, the breakout of 27,287 because that's not how we trade here. We don't trade breakouts. Okay, for me, trading breakouts is not a sustainable strategy to use. Okay, we like to short highs and we like and to long lows, okay, and that's exactly what we did. We longed this low down here, so we're already in a long position, so I'm not going to trade a breakout here. I'm just going to ride this long position up to those higher targets I have. Now, if we don't look bearish at 27,480, what are we looking for? Well, let's zoom out for that. We're actually looking for range high of the much larger range that we are in. Okay, so we're looking for approximately 28,133 if we break above 27,616. And of course, you know, if we're not looking bearish at any of these internal highs that we have here, okay, then I'm just going to continue to ride this long that we've entered higher and higher and higher, okay, until, you know, we hit those higher targets. And then if we're starting to look bearish, then and only then will I just, you know, completely close out of that trade. Okay, but right now, you know, I'm not actually seeing any bearish indications, okay, especially on this 30-minute chart here. Now, like I said, you know, we could come down from here, okay? We could hit our stop loss, because remember I said stop loss move to entry. So this is now a risk-free trade. Okay, I've taken around 60% profit off of this trade here, okay? And I'm letting the rest of the 40% ride, okay? But if it hits the stop loss, I'm not too bothered, because I've taken profit, moved that stop loss to entry, so I've protected this trade, okay? So if the price continues to rise, great, okay? We can capitalize on that, because we're in that long position, okay? But if the price decides to fall from here, okay, yes, we've missed out on a trade, but, okay, we are sticking to our strategy, and we haven't seen the bearish indications here. If we tap, okay, range high at 27,287, okay, if we actually tap this level, and we see the nice bearish reaction, okay, with a bearish confirmation, bearish confluence, then what will I do? Well, I'll enter into that short position, okay? It's a valid short position if we see all of the confirmation and the confluence at that level, okay? And then we can enter into that short and capitalize on that price movement towards the downside. But like I said, okay, if we don't get that bearish reaction there, then we're looking for higher prices. We're looking for 27,480. Okay, if we see the bearish reaction there, then we could possibly short. Okay, that is a nice level to actually be shorting. Okay, and you know, it just goes on and on and on. Okay, if we don't see the bearish reaction there, then we're looking for 2616, okay, to possibly short that. And if we don't see that, then we're looking for the range high. Okay, range high is, you know, my most favorable short position. Okay, but of course we have to trade these internal levels as well, otherwise we could miss out on big you know, movements within the price of Bitcoin. Okay, we can't capitalize on those, you know, big price movements. Okay, so we also do have to take into consideration these internal levels. Yes, I would prefer to trade the range high and the range low, but we can't always do that, okay, because sometimes it does take a very long time to go from range low to range high, or range high to range low. Okay, so in the meantime, we can actually go into the smaller time frames and trade these smaller time frames. Okay, so yeah, that's my current plan. Just waiting to see if we can tap 27,287. If we do, okay, I'm going to reevaluate, are we looking bearish or are we looking bullish for higher prices? And obviously I'm going to act on whatever the charts are telling me. If we're looking bearish, I'm going to short. Okay, if we're looking bullish, I'm going to continue to ride this long position higher. Okay, so that is my plan for Bitcoin. If you found this video interesting, then make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And remember, we do have that free code that was somewhere on the screen, okay, which gives you access to the Visionary Discord. Okay, 1 month free access to the Visionary Discord. You can cancel at any time. So yeah, risk free. And yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. Click join bit trading here. Links will be in the description, of course. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, like I said, smash that thumbs up button, really helps me out. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys, and see you later. Goodbye.